Phillies race number 3. Replay, hatid ko yan. Santana Park, sa aksyon.
Heaven sent, Pato.
And Rob, early lead is taken by Heaven Sent, Eternal Flame, and Sin Nombre on the farther outside, Reyes Gold. And passing before the judges stand, it's Heaven Sent in the lead, followed by Eternal Flame, Sin Nombre, Reyes Gold, Lady Sutter, and Bonjour is bringing up the rear. And as they leave the straight, it's Heaven Sent in the lead by 3.5 lengths. It's still Heaven Sent, followed by Eternal Flame. And into the backstretch, it is still Heaven Sent in the lead, followed by Eternal Flame. And Reyes Gold running in third, and fourth is Sin Nombre, Lady Sutter, and Bonjour. Nearing the far turn, Heaven Sent by 2.5 lengths, followed by Eternal Flame in second, and Reyes Gold remains in third. Sin Nombre running in fourth by 5.5 lengths. Bonjour and Lady Sutter. Rounding the far turn is still Heaven Sent maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead. Eternal Flame and Reyes Gold closing in third. But it's still Heaven Sent in the lead, followed by Eternal Flame in second, and Reyes Gold remains in third, and Sin Nombre. And into the home stretch, it is still Heaven Sent in the lead. It's Heaven Sent by 3.5 lengths, followed by Eternal Flame and Reyes Gold, Lady Sutter on the outside, Bonjour and Sin Nombre. And into the home stretch and nearing the fifth line, it is still Heaven Sent in the lead. And finally, the winner of the Juvenile Phillies, Heaven Sent. Coming in second, Reyes Gold, Lady Sutter, Eternal Flame, Bonjour, and Sin Nombre.
Naiwan sa ating winner-take-all, 727,890.
At napansin mo si Sin Nombre, kung talagang lumabas pa yung inexperience niya, nag-race wide, ano?
Medyo bumuka rito sa may unang corner.
Oo, at sa pick 6 naman natin, 162,700 after 3 races. Ngayon, ang projected estimate time natin for the distance is 134.7. Tignan natin ang actual.
Oh,
Mismo.
segundo.
Galing ni Mr. Johnny Gassis ang kariri sa index.